Hi, Jordan Hanna here with MarineMax Palm Beach, and I'm standing in front of a brand new 2019 380 LXF Scout. Quite possibly the most beautiful boat on the water. What you'll get from Scout is very distinct lines, quality fit and finish, premium upholstery, versatility and layout, and one of the best off-riding boats out there. Offshore riding boats out there. Moving over from the Helm here. One thing you'll notice just standing outside the boat is how the T-top integrates into the console real nice. There's very minimal screws in this boat, and there's no wasted space, I can tell you that. So let's climb aboard here. Alright, so climbing aboard here, you'll notice that you've got a huge swim platform that makes it easy to board the boat from port or starboard, which is something that's pretty unique for a center console. We've got triple 350 Verados. This is a joystick piloting boat, which even at 38 foot, this boat's incredibly easy to dock. Built-in sky hook, all the features you need for simplicity and easy maneuverability. So in the cockpit here, you'll see you've got very beamy, open space for fishing, fish boxes in the floor. You've got a nice fold-out transom seat here, which gives you a comfortable ride out to the fishing spot or entertaining. You've got a nice aft opposing seat, but this isn't just your normal bench seat here. Walk over to the side, and just with the flip of a switch, it turns into a summer kitchen with a nice stainless sink and grill. Incredible for entertaining. Alright, so moving up to the bow, you've got triple Garmin's flush mounted in a black acrylic dash. Real clean look, very functional. Got your joystick, and this boat is definitely one you got to see in person and sit at the helm, because they have probably the most ergonomic setup that you can have on a boat. I'll give you an example here. Sitting at the helm, the steering wheel is very easy to access. Throttles are right here. You don't have to feel like you have to steer with your knees when underway, which is something you'll notice on a lot of, especially large center consoles. Alright, so moving up here, you'll notice this is a center console, but you've got a real nice sized cabin in here, generator, air conditioning, with separate head, which is a huge plus on this size boat. Alright, then up in the bow, again, it's with the versatility. You've got a great spot up here to entertain. Nice lounger with flip-down backrest. There's also one in the center there. You've got a power table with a flip of a switch. You can raise it up, you know, if you're entertaining, got nice hors d'oeuvres. You can drop it down, and there's a filler cushion to turn this whole area into a bed, or you can drop it down all the way to the floor. So again, this boat has a lot of great features. One thing we that I didn't mention was the Seakeeper. Makes this boat like it's sitting on a trailer offshore. Very stable. So definitely one you need to come see in person. Again, my name is Jordan Hanna with MarineMax Palm Beach. You can reach me 561-427-9217. Thanks, and look forward to seeing you.